I'm Sean Mandarejo, and I'm discussing two topics. The first one is lecture. For me, lecture is a form of communication that is almost similar to public speaking. So, lecture is an presentation of a conveying information aimed at a specific subject. And the second one, our topic, is how to turn down our stress level. So first let's define stress. Stress is a feeling of emotional and physical tension arising from a event or thought of a person, and I'll be giving tips also from to to prevent stress. First one is establish a routine and prioritize sleep. Second, connect with others and peers to and maintain healthy diet. That's all for today. Thank you.